Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to your Pinterest account on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that you should tap on this home button in the upper left corner. Then go to the right side and click on your profile button. Tap on edit profile in the middle of the screen. Go to the left side column and tap on the second option, which is personal information. After that you should select your gender, tap on the relevant button. Then you can select your country or region. Here you have a bunch of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is tapping on the relevant one and then select your language. Again, tap on the relevant one, and when you are done with selecting all these information, just simply tap on the save button at the bottom of this section, and then the personal information will be saved and updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.